Hi, dear friends. Today, let us learn again from another book that is The Secret of Happiness by Billy Graham, revised and expanded. This that Beatitudes and revolutionary startling, deeply profound, and yet amazing simple, said Dr. Graham. He goes on, they could transform the world in which we live if you apply this simple formula in your own personal life. He tells his readers you can never be the same. What was his secret? He gave it to us in the Beatitudes. The message of this book turns typical human values upside down. Dr. Billy Graham is truly the evangelist to the world. He has presented the gospel face to face to more people than any other man in history. Ministering on every continent of the world, multiplied millions have read his inspirational books, and his books continue to dominate the bestseller list. The search for happiness. Happiness through poverty, happiness while mourning, happiness through meekness, happy through hungry, happiness through showing mercy, happiness in purity, happiness through peacemaking, happiness in spite of persecution. Steps to happiness.